So there we go, that's the open ocean. This is the other side of Vela, the island of Vela. And I'm not going any further out into the ocean. I'm gonna explore around there, and then I'll probably head home. I haven't filmed an awful amount because the swell in various areas has picked up quite a bit, and so I've been focusing on that. And despite being a kayaker, I do get seasickness. I get seasickness when I'm out on my husband's boat, but I get seasickness here when the swell is particularly bad. Like, I push through it, it's fine, like nothing will come of it, but yeah, when the swell is bad enough, it will still it will still get me. And there were a few hairy bits there, which it wasn't dangerous in terms of the kayak tipping. Well, there was one moment where, yeah, it did happen, almost happened, but the swell was just so like that, and the wind was against me, so I was having to go as fast as I could out of this area where this particularly bad swell was. And afterwards I was a bit like you know, and I still feel a bit so I'm gonna head home now, and that'll be me kayaking done. I think by the time I get home I will have kayaked for maybe 3.5 hours, 3 hours, something like that. So yeah, it's been good. It's not been too intense, apart from the odd bits here and there, but that's kind of what I want. I want to get more and more used to this kayak and the feel of it, because it is very different to my other kayak. And it's just nice to be able to go off and explore more and not worry about bracken and making sure I stay in areas that are completely dead calm. I can stretch myself a bit with this. So the adrenaline rush is there. I'm feeling nauseous, but I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna shower and eat and crash for the afternoon, I think.